Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable replays on Real Boxing. So let's get started. First, open the Real Boxing game on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. Here you can find the No Replays option on the middle of your screen. Simply tap on it. Once the option changes from No Replays to Replays, replays on Real Boxing game will be enabled. And this is how you can enable replays on Real Boxing. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.